Look at the rainbow. Looks so beautiful on the ocean, right? And I'm gonna go top of that cliff now. This is beautiful Sydney Harbour, followed by city skylines on this side, and the ocean on this side. This place is so unique. As you can see, the harbor and the sea from the same spot. And the interesting thing is, if we have patience and watch carefully, we might see whales on this side. We need patience to see whales. Though this is not the right time to see the whales. This is not the migration time for the whales. But anyways, we might try our luck. Anyways, I'm going down by using the stairs. I haven't seen any whales today. Need to be here at the right time and have patience. I'm signing off from this area. Thank you so much. Have a very good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.